The installation of your PHLster ARC enhanced weapon light switches is extremely straightforward. However, there are a couple details that we're going to go over in this video that you need to know before installing these switches. When you remove them from the package, you'll notice that all the parts are ganged together on the injection molding tree for organization. You'll notice also that they're indicated as left and right on the underside of the switch. This is really significant. The switch armature, which we'll expose in a moment, has a left and right switch orientation, and for reference, that's left and right as viewed by the user. For installation, you should only need a small flathead screwdriver. However, some of you, depending on the tolerances of the switch armature, the age of the light, and whether or not you want to Murphy-proof your light, you might want to use a small amount of adhesive, which we will get to. What we're going to do first is remove the batteries from the light so you don't blind yourself in the eyes during any point of this installation. Then close the switch cap. You're going to take the small flathead screwdriver, pry up on the light, these little guys will pop right off. You're going to want to save those and put them in the bag that this came with, or what have you. And you'll notice on here that these switches are mirrored from each other, which is why we have a left and right switch set. Upon removing them from the injection molding tree, the easiest way to do that is to pinch them at the top so they break off nice and cleanly. If you twist and pull at them, you might get a little burr where the tree connects. So we're going to observe this. This is the right hand switch, and I'm going to place it on there and press down. At this time, if you've decided that you want to make these a fully permanent installation, if you're going to be going through some hard use, if you want a much tighter fit, these fit pretty tight as it is, but if you have an older light or there's some small specification change in the specifics of this armature, what I would recommend doing is taking a tiny dab of the adhesive of your choice and applying it to the switch armature. Then I'm going to take the left-hand side, press that on, and then remember we took the batteries out. I like to take it, press the switch caps into the table. You can get your little flathead screwdriver and make sure that the armature is in there nice and tight. Pop this back open. Reinstall your batteries. Function check your light for momentary use on both sides. And switch this back and forth, and your installation's done.